'cause I'm a fool for your love.
So welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review, and it is my favorite go-to wig by Bobbi Boss. It is the Lyna wig. This wig is absolutely amazing, and for a synthetic wig, it's bomb. Like, I love Bobbi Boss. Their synthetic wigs are meant to last like $20 and some change to last. You know, like, I could wear it for a month, you feel me? But if you want to switch it up, you could do 2 weeks. So imagine only spending like $40 to $50 a month on your hair. Exactly. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Okay, so to start off, this is the packaging. It says Bobbi Boss in it. This is the Lyna wig. It is a black and indigo wig. And in the back, it has this little cute thank you card. No problem. My go-to wig. This is my go-to wig. Just remember that, because this wig is absolutely bomb, and I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the model. I just want to say now that it doesn't really like reach your ear, because I thought it was, which is why I was skeptical when buying it at first. But then actually when I tried it on, it actually reached me the length that I wanted to. Because this way. Okay. So like I said, I never bought this wig, this style wig in any other color but like 1B. So I decided to switch it up. So I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna model a little outfit for you guys and all that good stuff. You know, I'm spoiling y'all. So let's start customizing the wig and put it on and all that. It has 2 clips. It has a lace part in the middle. It has a lace on the outside, and also has a clip at the bottom. And also what I love is these straps, because I like my wig secured, and let me tell you why. Because I have a daughter who likes to pull wigs off my head, so she can yank all she wants, but it's not coming off, baby. It is not coming off. So this is the wig straight out of the package. This is the color up close. It is very, very pretty. It is absolutely beautiful. And this is how it looks as well. Like, not plucked, nothing. Straight up. Okay, so I have the wig on, and I don't know why it makes my face look so freaking long. I don't know if it's because it's a different color that it's shorter, but it's never this short. Like, wow, but the color is absolutely stunning. It's very pretty. Very pretty, but the length, I'm not feeling it. It's shorter than before. Like, I'm gonna insert a picture right here, and you're gonna see how the bob usually fits me, and then you're gonna look at me, and then you tell me that this isn't, or is it my imagination? I don't know. I don't know if it fits with my like shape of head or my size head, but I cut the lace, I applied some powder, and that's it. I mean, I put it on, and like I said, I don't know if it's this particular wig, because you know sometimes you get the bad batch. So I don't know if it's this wig, but like, it's like, you see right here, like I'm pressing down so easy. Yeah, it's just like a gap there. I don't know if it's my braids are too big or something, but yeah, this is basically how it looks. Like, it's nice, don't get me wrong, but like I said, I don't know. You let me get, I want you guys to comment down below what y'all think about this wig on me. I'm not feeling it, because I feel like it's shorter, or maybe it's the color kind of throw me off, because I never had this color in this style. But I like the color. I look at it from the side, but when I look at it from the front, I'm just not really feeling it. I'm gonna get up and model. Maybe if I get up and model for you guys could be like, yeah, girl, I can see you wearing that, or nah, take that off, okay? We'll see. So thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Just know I upload every Tuesdays and Thursdays. Usually Tuesdays are like beauty, fashion, and all that stuff. And Thursdays I try to do primarily editing videos. So make sure you stay tuned and just be on the lookout for that. So I will see you guys next week.
Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.